As many of us know, the kidneys are essential organs responsible for filtering waste and excess fluids from our blood. When inflammation occurs in the kidneys, it can lead to further damage and complications, making it crucial to take steps to reduce inflammation and promote kidney health. In this video, we will be discussing 10 foods that have been shown to help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and promote better kidney health. These foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help protect against kidney damage and improve kidney function. While these foods are not a substitute for medical treatment, they can be a valuable addition to a balanced and healthy diet. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of kidney-friendly foods and discover how we can support our kidneys for optimal health and wellness. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are a great source of antioxidants, which can help protect the kidneys against inflammation and oxidative stress. Inflammation can damage the kidneys over time and impair their function, so consuming foods that are high in antioxidants can be beneficial for kidney health. Additionally, blueberries are low in sodium, which is important for people with kidney disease, as a high sodium diet can contribute to fluid retention and high blood pressure. Overall, adding blueberries to your diet can be a simple and delicious way to support your kidney health. 2. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can damage the kidneys and lead to complications, so consuming foods that are high in omega-3s can be beneficial for kidney health. Additionally, omega-3s have been shown to help reduce blood pressure, which is important for people with kidney disease, as high blood pressure can further damage the kidneys. Salmon is also a good source of high-quality protein, which is important for maintaining muscle mass and overall health. Including salmon in your diet can be a delicious way to support your kidney health and reduce inflammation in the body. 3. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that is rich in vitamins and minerals, including iron, which is important for kidney health. Iron is essential for the formation of red blood cells, which help transport oxygen throughout the body, including to the kidneys. Additionally, spinach is a good source of other nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, which can help protect against kidney damage and support overall health. However, people with kidney disease should be cautious with their intake of potassium, as spinach is relatively high in potassium. If you have kidney disease, it's important to work with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to determine the appropriate intake of potassium and other nutrients for your individual needs. 4. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants in olive oil, including polyphenols and vitamin E, can help protect against inflammation and oxidative stress, which can contribute to kidney damage. Additionally, olive oil is a good source of monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce LDL, or bad cholesterol levels, and improve heart health. People with kidney disease are at an increased risk for heart disease, so consuming heart-healthy fats like olive oil can be beneficial. It's important to note that olive oil is high in calories, so it should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. 5. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a great source of vitamin C and other antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and protect against kidney damage. Vitamin C is an important antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and supports the immune system. Additionally, red bell peppers are low in potassium, making them a good choice for people with kidney disease who need to watch their potassium intake. They are also a good source of fiber and other important nutrients like vitamin A and folate. Including red bell peppers in your diet can be a delicious way to support your kidney health and overall well-being. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that contains curcumin, a compound that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin has been found to help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which can contribute to kidney damage. Additionally, curcumin may help protect the kidneys by improving kidney function and reducing the risk of kidney disease. While more research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits of curcumin for kidney health, adding turmeric to your diet can be a flavorful way to incorporate this anti-inflammatory spice into your meals. 7. Garlic. Garlic is a bulbous vegetable that contains allicin, a compound that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Allicin is also a potent antioxidant that can help protect against oxidative stress, which can contribute to kidney damage. Additionally, garlic has been found to help reduce high blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for kidney disease. While more research is needed to fully understand the potential benefits of garlic for kidney health, Adding garlic to your diet can be a delicious and flavorful way to incorporate this vegetable into your meals and potentially support your kidney health. 8. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable that is high in vitamins and minerals and has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. It is a good source of vitamin C, folate, and fiber, which can help protect against kidney damage and support overall health. Additionally, cauliflower contains compounds like glucosinolates and isothiocyanates, which have been found to have anti-inflammatory effects in the body. Including cauliflower in your diet can be a tasty way to incorporate this nutrient-dense vegetable into your meals and potentially support your kidney health. However, people with kidney disease should be cautious with their intake of potassium, as cauliflower is relatively high in potassium. If you have kidney disease, it's important to work with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to determine the appropriate intake of potassium and other nutrients for your individual needs. 9. Grapes. Grapes are a fruit that are high in antioxidants called polyphenols, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Polyphenols are a type of plant compound that can help protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and kidney disease. Additionally, grapes are a good source of vitamin C and fiber, which can support overall health and help protect against kidney damage. Including grapes in your diet can be a delicious way to incorporate these health-promoting compounds into your meals and potentially support your kidney health. However, grapes are relatively high in natural sugars, so it's important to consume them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. 10. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a root vegetable that are rich in vitamins and minerals, including beta-carotene, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Beta-carotene is a type of carotenoid, a group of plant compounds that can help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Additionally, sweet potatoes are a good source of fiber, which can support digestive health and help protect against kidney damage. Including sweet potatoes in your diet can be a delicious way to incorporate these health-promoting compounds into your meals and potentially support your kidney health. However, people with kidney disease should be cautious with their intake of potassium, as sweet potatoes are relatively high in potassium. If you have kidney disease, it's important to work with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to determine the appropriate intake of potassium and other nutrients for your individual needs. In conclusion, incorporating kidney-friendly foods into your diet can be a simple and effective way to reduce inflammation in the kidneys and promote better kidney health. By including foods like blueberries, salmon, spinach, and turmeric in your meals, you can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to fight inflammation and protect against kidney damage. Of course, a healthy diet is just one aspect of kidney health, and it is important to work with your healthcare provider to develop a comprehensive treatment plan that meets your individual needs. With that being said, I hope this video has been informative and helpful in guiding you towards a healthier, more kidney-friendly diet. Thank you for watching.